In this video, we listed the 5 best Canon printer that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Canon MAXIFY GX7021. The Canon MAXIFY GX7021 is a versatile wireless 4-in-1 printer designed for efficient home or office use. It supports printing, copying, scanning, and faxing capabilities, all accessible without needing a direct computer connection thanks to its easy Wi-Fi setup feature. This inkjet printer boasts integrated ink tanks capable of producing up to 6,000 pages in black and white and 14,000 pages in color, minimizing the need for frequent refills. It features impressive print speeds of 24 pages per minute in monochrome and 15.5 pages per minute in color, utilizing pigment ink to ensure durability of printed documents. The device includes two 250-sheet cassettes along with a 100-sheet rear tray for versatile paper handling, and supports automatic two-sided printing for added convenience. Number 2. Canon PIXMA TR8620A. The Canon CNTR8620A is a versatile wireless inkjet printer designed for efficient home or small office use. It boasts a range of modern features including network readiness, an auto document feeder, a user-friendly touch screen, and a convenient memory card slot. In sleek black, it combines style with functionality, capable of producing vivid color prints at a maximum speed of 10 pages per minute and monochrome prints at 15 pages per minute. Weighing 17.4 pounds, it supports wireless connectivity and offers a 4-in-1 capability for printing, copying, scanning, and faxing. With a 200-sheet capacity split between a cassette and rear feed, it supports auto two-sided printing and handles a duty cycle of up to 1,000 pages. Additionally, it integrates with Alexa for ink level notifications and smart reorders via Amazon, ensuring seamless replenishment without the need for a subscription. Number 3. Canon imagePROGRAF PRO-1000. The Canon PRO-1000 is an advanced inkjet printer designed for professional photographers and graphic artists. It features a sophisticated ink system known as Lucia PRO, comprising 11 colors plus chroma optimizer, which enhances color reproduction and ensures superb glossiness while preventing bronzing. The printer incorporates anti-clogging technology with a tubular ink delivery system to minimize clogging and accelerate print speeds. Its air feeding system prevents paper skewing, ensuring accurate ink placement on various paper types. Capable of producing deep blacks and precise gradations, the PRO-1000 supports a wide color gamut, making it ideal for high-quality art and photo printing. Number 4. Canon imageCLASS MF753 CDW. The Canon IC-MF753 CDW is a wireless 4-in-1 color laser printer that offers printing, copying, scanning, and faxing capabilities. It has a maximum print speed of 35 pages per minute in both color and black and white, with a quick first print of approximately 7 seconds. The printer features auto-duplex printing and one-pass two-sided scanning, along with connectivity options such as Wi-Fi, USB, and Ethernet. It also supports mobile printing through Canon Print Business, Apple AirPrint, and Mopria Print Service. With a 3-year limited warranty and Energy Star and EPEAT Silver certifications, the Canon IC-MF753 CDW provides a reliable and environmentally friendly printing solution. Number 5. Canon PIXMA PRO-200. The Canon PIXMA PRO-200 is a versatile inkjet printer that offers professional quality printing with its 8-color dye-based ink system. It features wired and wireless connectivity options, a compact design, and a fast printing speed of approximately 90 seconds for bordered A3+ prints. The printer is compatible with a wide range of media and sizes, allowing for borderless printing up to 13 inches by 19 inches or custom sizes up to 13 inches by 39 inches. Additionally, it comes with a built-in 3-inch LCD display for easy ink level monitoring and maintenance, and it can be easily controlled using Canon's Professional Print and Layout (PPL) 2 software. The printer also supports printing through Wi-Fi or networked connections, and it can be connected to Alexa for ink or toner level notifications and smart reorders from Amazon.